Guys, please listen to this, okay?
Yes, the world will bow down and say you are God.
Yes. Yes, God.
And every man
Damn.
will bow down and say you are King.
All right. So let me pause it right there. Now, we're in the key of E major for the records, okay? And what the guy played was as simple as possible because he wants to allow the lead vocalist to, introduce the song before he comes with his own ideas, which is really highly recommended. But I just want to tell you that there are some other things you could do, maybe in the later parts of the song where you encounter this particular line. So, yeah, it started like this. Or let me just even play over it so that I'll just show you the idea real quick. Okay, the one.
Yes, the world will bow down and say you are God.
You hear that? So
Every man will bow down and say you are King. So let's start right now. Why would we wait? King.
So I don't want to actually go into the other parts of the song. I just want to show you that beginning part where I was talking about. So what I actually did was, okay, normally we start at 1. Okay. Here's the world. Yeah. Then that's the 2. So let me play that real slow. There's the 2, then to the 4. The 3. Okay. So this is the 1. This is the 1. This is the 5, or you could say 7, because sometimes we actually flip it 5 7 5 7. But I prefer the 5 here. You understand? So after playing that, you can just to fill the space. So that's an arpeggio, and that's on the 5 as well. So let me break that down for you. So that is using the numbers as 2 5 6 7 2 5 6 7 2 5 6 7 2 5. You get a point. So let me do that again. That's 1 or you get a point. Then let me say you're playing for the second time, because it was actually twice you sang that particular line. So you could come to this place, which is down, the lower register of the keyboard. We do this. Okay. You get that? So I know you want that real quick, right? So what did I do? I started from here. Similar to what I did before, but now we add a twist. The 4 6 1 7 on the 5. Okay, like I said before. So I'm just doing I'm just flipping over the 5, like flipping different inversions of the 5. You understand? Then before we go to the other parts of the song, I just hope you learned something here. And I'm not here to break down the full song. I'm just trying to give you ideas. And I mean, this particular idea I just played right now is similar to what I did on a song by Ephraim, Son of Africa. Okay, I can't remember the song, but maybe I will look for the song and just merge it to those videos so that you just see exactly what I'm trying to say. So just explore different ideas. Different ideas can actually apply to different songs. So you're not restricted by any means, especially when it comes to music. Just play what sounds nice to you, and I believe you should be good with it. Thank you so much. Inspired Fingers signing out right now.